Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Karibuni and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jane Shiko and thank you for the support. For the royal subscribers, I'm so grateful. Your comments, your support, your subscriptions, they're keeping me going. And for your information, we headed to 300 subscribers and I thank God for this far. And thank you also for the support. For the new viewers, Karibuni sana. This channel is designed to educate, to entertain, and to inspire you all there through what we learn in this channel. So don't go anywhere. This is something you don't want to miss. Now, today I want us to learn. And since I'm doing my laundry today, I thought we should do it together. We learn how to use a double tap washing machine, which is very convenient, and it has many advantages than the disadvantages. So karibuni sana, I'll be back in a moment. This is the twin tap washing machine, and it's a 10 kg washing machine. You get them in different capacities. So this is a 10 kg washing machine, and it has 3 knobs and 2 compartments. First compartment is this one, which is used for washing, and this other one is used for spinning, drying, or rinsing. So the first compartment, as I open it, as you can see, it has rings down there which turn when washing. They rotate when washing, and that's how they clean clothes, like this. On, they spin like that. So that's how they spin. Zinazunguka. Okay, now that's how it's washed. So the ones that spin, the ring that you see down there. The second compartment is for spinning clothes. It has 2 covers, this one and this other one. Then inside it still has another cover, a smaller one, this one, that you use, as I will show you later. When spinning, you use it to put like on top of the clothes, so that when you put it like this, it doesn't come, so that the clothes cannot jump, because the spin is usually very fast, and yes, so the clothes can jump out of the machine. Now, this one, it has 3 knobs. This one is the wash timer. It goes up to 15 minutes. So when you put your clothes in the wash tub, it goes for 15 minutes. Wash them for 15 minutes, and then they'll be done. Then when you're done, you bring them on the spin, as I will show you. It has another knob. It is used to determine what kind of clothes you're washing. If you do gentle, you see as it's written gentle here. Gentle is for gentle clothes that are not too heavy. For the normal clothes, with the heavy clothes, use the normal part. So you just adjust it from gentle to normal, and then drain. Drain is when you're done with the cleaning and rinsing. When you do this, the water will drain through this pipe. There is an extra pipe, this pipe. This is what drains the water. So you put it on the floor and it drains water, or in the basin, it drains water. And then the third one is the spin one, spin timer. It spins, it spins so fast. Like, it spins and clears away all the water, and then it flows from here and like almost dry. Is it the spin timer? So yeah, that's it for the twin tap washing machine. The explanation and stuff. Yeah, so that is how it looks like. And from this other side, this is how it looks like. Yeah, so that's it for the twin tap washing machine. Now we can proceed to washing, spinning and rinsing, and even hanging the clothes. Okay, as you can see, I've already put the soap and ready to do the washing. The beauty about this machine is that I can use any powder soap, especially Ariel or Sunlight. Okay, any powder soap that is written is suitable for twin tub washing machine can be used, and they are cheaper, unlike these other washing machines that you have to use strictly for washing machines. So that's the beauty about it. I've already put jig so that now I can put my white clothes and start washing, but before then I'll spin it so that the soap can get in the water properly, like this. Mixing the soap ndo maji ishuke sabuni vizuri, you can put your clothes. Of course, as you clean, you start with the white clothes, and that's what I'm done putting the clothes in the water, the white clothes in the water. And so now what I do with white clothes, I either soak them overnight, or like now if I just put them and I want to wash them immediately, I soak them for like 15 to 30 minutes. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll soak them for 30 minutes before I can now start. But before then, I'll spin. This is how it spins. I'll spin them so that they can yes, that. You see, it just removes the dirt from it. When after that, I'll soak them for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll come and I'll spin for 15 minutes so that now we can clean. After they're clean, I'll bring them here and spin them, then rinse them and spin them again, and then hang them. Okay? 30 minutes later, I come and start the spin. It's on normal because some of the clothes here are heavy as much as they are white. So I put it on normal here. So I put the timer, wash timer for 15 minutes, as you can see, and this is at normal, not gentle, normal. Okay, so now it will spin for 15 minutes. This is how it spins. Goes round, turns for 15 minutes. So as you can see, the water has even started changing color, which means the cleaning is ongoing. So we'll do it for 15 minutes, and then when we're done, put them on the spin side, and then we spin and rinse. Okay. The beauty about this machine is that you can still view the washing from the top, or even you can open. Unlike these front load washing machines, once you start washing, you cannot view the clothes as they wash. So this is one of the advantages of this washing machine. Another advantage is when there is no water, you don't need to use this pipe. I told you to bring water. Unaweza chota maji na chumvi and you pour it in the first tub for washing, same as rinsing. So it's not automatic, it's a semi-auto thing. So whether you have water at your place, whether you don't have water, whether there is water in the taps, you can still use it. And then another advantage is it consumes less electricity. Because if I'm washing my clothes like a week, I have a family of 4, and cleaning their clothes weekly costs me like 2 units. 2 units of electricity, which means it's like around 40 to at most 45 shillings per wash. You get it? So to me, I find it very, very, very economical. So we leave it to wash for the next 15 minutes. It's already going to, as you can see, the spin goes slowly. It was here, now it's here. It's going to 12 minutes, then it will go round that to 0, and then it rings like a bell to alert you that it's done. So we wait for the remaining minutes to be over. so that we can transfer our clothes to the spin. Guys, we're done with washing. 15 minutes are over, and now what you do is I transfer these clothes that are already clean. They're already clean, as you can see. They are very clean. I transfer them to the spin, so that I can spin and remove all the water in the clothes for them to be rinsed. So this is how we do it. So mostly I ring or I put them without ringing, removing the water. Just put them inside. Like this. So I'm going to show you. It's full now. As you can see, the spin now is full. So what I do, I take this as I told you, this one. This is the place I put it here. It's put there to lock the clothes in there. To lock the clothes in there once they're spinning, because they spin in a very high speed, so that when it spins, the clothes cannot fall off and come to these sides. Because you see these sides are as you can see, these sides are open, so that the clothes cannot fall into those sides, and removing the clothes from there is a bit hectic. So this one assists in that. So what I do, I cover with this other one, that other cover, and then the next cover. It has two covers, or to be precise, three. So yes, like that. When you're spinning, we come again here on the spin timer, and we put it. It's usually in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and as you can see from inside, the clothes have started spinning. As you can see, they spin in very high speed, and once you open like this one is like an automatic. The door is like an automatic on and off button. So when you open, unlike this other side, when you open, it doesn't spin anymore. It stops spinning until you close it again. Then it continues spinning like that. That's going to spin for 5 minutes. As you can see, spinning for 5 minutes. You see the water is coming out through that pipe like that, as you can see. So once it's done, I'll take the water back to the wash tub so that I can continue cleaning the rest of the clothes. Until now the water is dirty enough. Once it's dirty enough, now I change the water. But for those who have big bathrooms, and like mine, my bathroom is not that big, you can put the machine close to the bathroom so that you can drain water, or even behind the balcony. Now my balcony is far from here, and my bathroom as well is not that big to accommodate the machine. So yeah, that's it. We are doing for 5 minutes. As you can see, we are almost done. 5 minutes. We are about 2 minutes. It's going. It's from here going, so it will go to 0. Then it rings a button. Then I'll show you how dry the clothes are. As you can see, the clothes are still spinning, but we're almost done. The timer is almost off. Yeah, good. It's now off. So what you do, remove the clothes from the spinner, and they're done. As you can see, this one is still intact. This thing, I don't know its name, it's still intact, and the clothes are dry. I want to show you. Clothes are dry, very like they're dry. They're very in other words. So what I do, I transfer them to this bin that's over here. Very dry, as you can see. I transfer them to from here. No water can come out. no water can come out. They're like, you just hang them for like, this was the light clothes, you hang them like 15 minutes, they're done. So once I'm done with them, I should have shows I had so many things. I transfer them all in that bin. Yeah, until I leave it. And I return it and I cover it for the next consignment. Now this one, these are the clothes that are dry already. As you can see, now what is remaining is rinsing them with this water. So after I'm done with this, I'll pour this water. I'll empty this water because you can see it's already dirty. I'll empty it and then put in rinsing water, then so that we can continue. And we rinse the clothes, and then after rinsing them, we hang them for like at most 30 minutes. Even if they are jackets, 30 minutes, and then they'll be dry to be folded, and we call it a day. So guys, we're done with the cleaning, we're done with the washing, and now we are rinsing. I want us to rinse this together. As I told you, after washing and spinning, we rinse and then spin again so that we can hang the clothes. So when rinsing, I put the water. I've already done it through this pipe, from the tap to the pipe. And then after putting the water to the level you want, you will now put the fabric softener. This is what I use. You put it in the water. And then when you're done now, you spin it a bit for it to spread in the water, just a bit. Like that. And then now after you're done, you can add your clothes. You start with the white one. As I had done before, you put the white ones so that we can proceed to the rest. When rinsing again, you spin. Use the timer. You use the same timer. The clothes are spinning, and when spinning, of course, you use the timer, as I had told you. This you're going to do, and then you spin and then go hang the clothes. As I told you, it takes like 30, at most 30 minutes for the clothes to be dry, so that now we can fold them and call it a day. Guys, we're done with the washing, and now we're hanging the clothes for the few minutes, and then we can call it a day. We unhang them since they'll be dry. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Share with your friends. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed. Share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Do share, subscribe, and of course comment. And we'll be, of course, happy to interact with you. Until the next one, I love you guys, and may you be blessed.